The question is to find the derivative of the function. Here we have y is equal to e to the secant square x. Well, this is equal to e to the secant x, all of this expression square. So it's a derivative. Y prime is equal to, if we have exponential function, we have to write down whole thing first, e to the secant x squared times the derivative of this function right here by the chain rule. Since we have power 2, apply the power rule first. 2 times secant x to the power of 1 times chain rule again. We have to multiply the derivative of secant x. So it's going to be secant x tangent x. So that is equal to 2e to the secant square x times secant x times secant x. That's secant square x times tangent x.